right. Want to do it with a little Qualcomm. Okay. Shares are up 10.5%. So, and they needed it because they've been having a rough year. So this is after a closely watched tech industry analyst suggested that Qualcomm is working with artificial intelligence giant OpenAI on a smartphone. So they haven't confirmed this yet, but there's an analyst over at TF International Securities who said his latest industry checks reveal that OpenAI is working with MediaTek and Qualcomm to develop smartphone processors. And this partnership or reported partnership comes at a time of sort of uncertain prospects for Qualcomm. Its stock has struggled down about 13% so far this year, and making it by far the worst performer in the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. And that's tough when you say that the Philly Semiconductor Index is now up 18 straight days. That's a record, up nearly 50% this year, and your company is not part of it.
Right.
That's sad. So Qualcomm, we're going to hear more about Qualcomm this week because they're set to report second quarter results after the market closes on Wednesday.
Got it.
All right, let's get out of tech and move over to pizza. Domino's Pizza. So that stock is down nearly 7% right now. Sales at Domino's missed estimates last quarter. Earnings also declined from a year ago. They say that's mainly due to losses tied to an investment in the delivery service DPC Dash. I guess they use third-party sort of vendors to do the deliveries. And also what got investors worried here is that they're relying on new store openings for growth rather than higher same-store sales. Domino's plans to open nearly 1,000 new stores this year globally.
Really?
It's a lot of stores. And the conference call is underway right now. And just some quick headlines for you. The CEO of Domino's says consumer uncertainty, inflation, and weather hurt results last quarter.
Right.
He says competitors had promos, quote, out of our playbook. I don't really know what that means, but
okay.
The answer is every ad is price. Like you're going to get something for $5. I'm sitting there going, as an amateur, going, how do they do that?
Right.
I mean, how many inches circular? What's the radius of a $5 pizza at Domino's or anywhere else?
Yeah, it keeps squeezing the margins. And so the stock is, like I said, down more than 6.5% right now. Let's move over to biotech. Organon, this company's stock having a really nice day. It is up 23%. This is a company based in Jersey City, New Jersey, a women's healthcare company. So shout out to Jersey and Paul. They've agreed to be bought out by India's Sun Pharma. It's a deal that values the company at about $12 billion, and it represents a 60% premium to Organon's closing price back on January 16th. And I wondered, well, why on January 16th? Well, that's before takeover talks started. And this deal is going to propel Sun Pharma into the ranks of the world's 25 largest drug makers. So in case you don't know, Organon, which I didn't realize, specializes in women's health, spanning breast cancer, contraception, osteoporosis, menopause, all that stuff. So big deal there in big pharma.